Schaffner's FN3258 series are ultra-compact EMC and RFI filters for motor drives, servo drives, inverters, and converters. The FN3258 series is the most compact filter in its class with a slim design and solid safety connector blocks for easy installation even in tight spaces. Filters are available with current ratings up to 180 amps with higher startup and overload capability, low leakage current, and in standard or high voltage variants for 3-phase systems. The series offers excellent attenuation from 150 kHz to 30 MHz, ensuring compliance with EN 55011 Class A limits with cable lengths up to 50 meters. The filters use chokes with exceptional saturation resistance and thermal behavior to maintain attenuation in noisy applications and under full load conditions.